in this haunted house on the set of our new movie, Spooky Buddies.
I love scary movies, and our new movie is off the chain, yo. What just happened? Nice special effects, guys. Just like in our new movie. Ah, where did it just go?
Dude, are you so scared? You were scared on set the whole time.
What? You must be tripping, dog. I ain't scared of nothing. What's going on?
B-Dog, you're a scaredy cat.
I ain't no scaredy cat.
Disney's Spooky Buddies, The Curse of the Halloween Hound, an all-new movie.
And if you dogs want to find us, check out our new movie, Spooky Buddies.
On Disney Blu-ray and DVD, fall 2011.
Hello, and that wasn't technically a song or snippet of a movie, as I kind of promised, but it was a trailer for the Spooky Buddies, and I thought that it would be nice for you guys to see it. But if you guys do not know what this is basically a movie series concerning all these dogs. Most of you guys know them, the 5 dogs, not this one. This one only appears in this one movie, but there's a lot of different movies with these buddies and their parents as well. I think it starts off with Buddy, one of them. It's all through Disney. If you search up Buddies, if you search up this, you'll have all of their series, all of their movie series, and you'll have access to a bunch of their movies. And this is the only reason why I recommended this one out of all of them, is even though I would recommend watching all of them. But this one is, well, because in 15 days, or when I'm recording this on October 16th, it will be Halloween. So the festivities got to match the movie, Spooky Buddies. Alright, without further ado, our lesson will be dividing into equal groups. Now, I'm sorry that I didn't write that before. I always write my stuff before I do the videos, but something's probably messed up. But that's no problem. So, dividing into equal groups. And now, even though we are into division, this is the only division related thing we are doing. And with that, some of you are like, yes, finally we get to do division, but in this video and in the first parts of division, we will be doing zero, none, nada math. This will all be conceptual stuff. What we're doing, you have to think logically. You got to use your head, and it's all conceptual. When I say conceptual, I mean you have to think with your head and think in situations and use a bunch of logic. So it's not relating to math, it's about conceptual. If you want a more precise and better definition of conceptual, that's how you spell conceptual. Go on the internet, search that up. There's a lot of different things on it. But for our lesson, so I have 10 x's. And I want to split these x's into 2 equal groups. Remember, our lesson, equal groups. So when we split, just remember this. When we split something, they will all be in equal groups. Remember that. So there are 10 x's and we want 2 groups. So now, is there 2? So I'm going to put 2 boxes for the 2 groups. How many have to be in these boxes each? So how many here and how many here would add to a total of 10, but the number in the boxes would stay the same? Think about it. Pause it. I'm going to pause myself, but just think. All right. If you don't know, then pause and think more, but the answer is 5. The answer is 5. Because 2 equal groups means the groups have to be equal. So they both have 5, right? They both have 5. And 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Let's try another example. We're going to do little circles this time. We have 6. No, we have 7. Now we have 6. We have 6 dots. And I want you to split them into 3 groups this time. So 3 boxes. All the boxes have to be equal in the number of dots they have, and they all have to add up to 6, because that's our total number of dots. So if you don't know it, pause, think, but I'm just going to go on. And basically, it would be 2. So all the boxes have 2. So they're all equal. And if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 3 times 2, you'd get 6. So how is this division? Well, if we have 6 dots, 3 groups we need to put them in, 6 divided by 3, our answer was 2. Same thing with this. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So you technically did division, but you didn't do any math. You just used your head. Now I'm going to do one more example until I sign off. So let's do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's going to be a lot. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I want you to split it up into 5 groups where all of the boxes are equal. So 15, 5, just for you to see the numbers. So where all of the boxes have the same number of dots, and if you added up all the dots within the boxes, it would equal 15. So for example, if I thought that each box needed 1 dot, right? They're all equal because they all have 1 dot. However, if I added all the dots up, I would get 5. So I need it when all of the boxes have the same number of dots, they need to add up to 15. If I put 7 in all of them, they would all have 7. However, they would not equal 15. It would be over 15. So find the right number of dots to put in the boxes, that when you add up all the boxes that have the same number of dots, it would be 15. And I'm just trying to erase this little thing over here. Okay, there we go. So if you haven't answered it, pause it please. But the answer is 5. Oh wait, nope. No. I'm sorry, I'm not thinking straight. The answer is 3. 3 dots. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 all equal 15. So we checked that box off. All the dots in the boxes equal 15. The second box we have to check off is if all of the boxes or the groups are equal, and they are. So we checked off the second box. So that means we are good to go. So with that being said, this concept is, you gotta think about it more. You gotta sit there in front of a paper without doing anything and use a lot of your head and thinking. You're not gonna you're not gonna write a lot. You're gonna think, you're gonna have to use your head. It's all conceptual. And I know this is very hard. Try the worksheets, attempt them. If you need help, of course you can email me. Would feel free to help. I understand this one is very hard. This is why we're gonna go into baby steps. Hopefully, if my next video is out, watch it because it could help you understand this. If not, email me. I would be glad to respond and help you out and make you understand how to do this. I'll do more examples with you if you need, further explain myself. But alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little video here. Stay safe, stay cool, and stay learning. Bye-bye.